center stage. Let us first announce the presenters.
Presenters for Noble Queen International is 2024 Noble Queen International Asuka Naoto, Dr. Rob Douglas Walcher III.
And for 2025 Noble Queen Universe, Franz Russell Shingai Pilaos and Queen Patricia Javier.
We will announce first the Noble Queen of the Universe 2025, and the one we won't be calling is the Noble Queen International 2025. So again, we will announce the winner first. And the 2025 Noble Queen of the Universe is Miss Brazil!
And that means 2025 Noble Queen International is Philippines Luzon, Zara Lopez.
We are now having a moment for 2025 Noble Queen International Zara Lopez first, as we congratulate her with the presenters Dr. Rob Walcher III and Asuka Naito, our last year's Noble Queen International.
I'm sure your daughter Sapphire is now celebrating, Zara.
Of course, who doesn't know Zara, right? A well-celebrated beauty queen